this is not gonna stay here because this is not a good angle. But we are this week going to be trying to cook food from this cookbook, an architect's cookbook, a culinary journey through design. So currently I only have like 3 recipes worth of stuff in my apartment, so we'll start with these 3. And today we're going to be making the M&M burger. And yeah, so I have all the ingredients except the bourbon. I have tequila. I don't think we can substitute tequila for bourbon, but I have everything else. So I'll just show you everything that I bought for the first recipe. We have, of course, the apple smoked bacon. I got some fun patties because I was gonna get normal burgers, but it was $1 cheaper to just get the jalapeno and cheddar burger patties, so I got them. Thank you, Fresh Direct. Love. Not sponsored, obviously. And then I got some shallots. I think these are shallots. I've never gotten shallots before, so that's new. Don't judge me. Butter. We have, what's this called? Cheese. And then the burger buns are over here. And then the salt is in the cabinet because I'm so organized. Salt. And I think that's it. The only thing I don't have apparently is pepper, because apparently I don't use pepper, but I have paprika, so not the same thing, but close enough in my brain to make it make sense. So it's only 3 steps in this book. The first step said, begin by forming freshly ground chunk meat into 8-ounce patties. I will not be doing that. They're pre-shaped for me, thank you. Coat them with a pinch of salt and pepper on both sides of the patty, which they spell with 2 D's instead of 2 T's, questionable. And then coat saute pans with butter on high flame. Place the patty, oh my gosh, they spelled patty differently twice. Whoever did not spell check this book hurts me. In a pan and cook each side for approximately 1 minute. So we're gonna go do that now.
Why is the prep sequence so long? Why did I choose to keep in the prep sequence? Why is there a prep sequence? Well, I'm just me, and I thought you'd want to see it, even though currently I don't even want to see it. But I promise the editing is kind of fun in this video because I'm trying some new things.
Place burger in pan. All right. Heat that up a little bit. Hands are washed, cleaned. Thank you. Also, for those of you who are gonna say, why did I put my laptop on my stovetop? Stovetop's not working right now. New York things, unfortunately, in an old building, things happen, and it's been out for like 4 months now. Amazing. But we have a little tiny one that I'm using. So while the butter is melting, we have the salt, perfect. Add 4 ounces of shallots and 3 strips of bacon around the burger. Interesting choice. Okay, I don't have a way to measure the shallots. But I'm assuming it's definitely significantly less than it needs to be. So, let's rip this bad boy open. cut a shallot in my life, so I'm just gonna. I also am not good at cutting. Usually I get everything pre-cut or my family cuts it. I'm so sorry. I grew up an only child. I can't help you guys there. So any tips will be great in the comments. And then we're gonna flip the burger in a second. Because it said 1 minute each side, but I doubt that it would be fully cooked. Shallots. Are shallots just onions? Yeah, I don't know how to cook, so I'm just gonna dice them. Someone's probably crying watching me do this. I'm so sorry. I know I'm scaring people. I'm so sorry to scare you guys with my knife skills. I'll get better. I'll get better as we do the series. The reason I'm doing this series is to learn how to actually cook things that aren't just pasta with like sauce, you know? So y'all are gonna have to cry a little bit. Like, look at this. What is this? What is this?
Watching this, I'm low-key like, girl, what are you doing? Because this is not it. Like, honestly, I started practicing how to cook over the summer. So this video is about 6 months ago. And seeing that I have like the laptop on the burner, granted, this burner literally did not work until probably 2 months ago because it stopped working for a year, like consistently for an entire year, like the entire building. We didn't have like any stoves or any ovens for that long. And then watching me like trying to move shallots around it, I was trying, and I see that, but it is very stressful to me that 6 months ago I had no idea how to do anything besides just cook like breakfast. I promise y'all, I have so much better of a skill now, but watching this back is just like, girl, no.
Now we're gonna add our 3 strips of bacon. I'm gonna lower the heat. I know it says that we don't need to, but I don't want things to start burning in my tiny apartment. Yeah. I lowered it to like 2. And then it says to add the bourbon for the flame. We will not be doing that. For my safety and yours. Honestly, it smells really good. It smells really, really good. Okay. Once the flame, safe not using flame, place a slice of cheese on the top of the burger. And we're supposed to put it in the oven. We're not going to do that because the oven also doesn't work. I love living in New York City. And it says 8 to 9 minutes, so I'm just going to cook it for about like 5 minutes per side. But let's put the cheese on top for now. So it's supposed to end up being like a medium rare. And I normally don't eat things at medium, so I'll just cry in the video, it's fine. Honestly, we're just waiting for the cheese at this point. Alright, so we're gonna cut the cheese, Me and a knife scaring the entire viewership. I'm so sorry.
It's time to stop, okay?
I will get better at this.
Where the f are your parents?
So this is a cheese block instead of cheese slices to make it harder for myself. So we're just gonna cut them into little slices along the top. Cute. This isn't the meat plate, this is the meat plate. Don't worry.
I now have 3 cutting boards. I promise this was just a painful start.
Honestly, it's a little thick, but it should do well on here. All right, we're just gonna let everything cook now. And once everything's, oh, I look horrible, sorry. I'll let everything cook now. And then once everything's done cooking, I will show you guys the completed. First, everything cooking in the same pan, which is kind of horrifying to me because I would never like put all these things together and it looks disgusting. My only issue is like cross-contamination with the shallots and the burger. Because they want everything to kind of cook around the burger. And they were all supposed to go in the oven together, but again, no oven. So, and I think everything's still pretty pink around the corners. So I'm gonna just cook up the sides and then let the bacon finish, place the bacon, place the shallots, place it on the burger bun, and let you all know when it's ready.
This This is not okay. This needs to stop now.
One eternity later. Eventually. So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new.
Alright, the burger's definitely ready, but the bacon is not crispy, and I'm a crispy bacon kind of girl. So, we're waiting on the bacon at this point. Alright, we have a lightly toasted bun. As you can see, the rims are a little toasted. And then this is the burger. Ooh, it's dripping. Yay. Okay, let's place that here. Ta-da! And then now I have dishes to do. Amazing. And before I do, this is what it looks like. It's the bacon, again, softer than I make bacon typically, but you know, for cooking myself, it's not that bad. Trust me, I could have done worse. But this is kind of what it looks like. You can see those shallots. You can see there's a little bit of cheese peeking out. It didn't melt because probably I got too strong of a cheddar that couldn't melt. And then it's just supposed to be that with no sauce or anything. Ooh, look at us, chef. Let's do a first taste.
They didn't believe in us. God did.
And you can tell it's a little bit more than medium rare. It's more rare well done, which is what I would get, but it's so good. But I will say I did get a jalapeno burger, and so it came with jalapeno in the burger, which I feel like if this was just meant to be the salt, pepper, bourbon, shallots, and bacon, it would have been less flavorful, but still would have been really good. This is delicious. I'm shocked. This is delicious. I'm gonna go eat my dinner now, and I will see you all tomorrow.